Hello everybody, my name is Saud and I am AI automation specialist. I'm here to show you a very exciting project that I've been working on. It's called AI Study Coach. It is for students and for teachers uh, or for learners that require ChatGPT to answer according to the context of their data they have provided and not to hallucinate. So what my model basically do is get the information from the user and answer only what is available inside that document, or it can be verified with facts only. Then this can answer and it will avoid predictive text to avoid hallucination. Now, if I show you how it can be run, it's very easy. It's a complete dockerized application. All you need to do is to run this command docker compose up, and okay, so my application is live on the internet. I'm sorry, on my local computer. So here this app is open. I can upload any document type in PDF, PNG, JPG, JPEG form. So let's say I upload introductory guide to ppc.pdf. This particular document includes all the information that you need to run PPC campaigns, very helpful for digital marketers. Now that it has successfully embedded and it has been stored in Qdrant vector chain, so it's a RAG model. Now I'll go to upload notes, and here you can see all of the notes that will be uploaded. For now I've just uploaded one text, that is introductory guide to PPC. Now I'll move to my QA agent, and here you go. This is our customized chat GPT. So let's try to give this some prompts and test it. So let's say I write how to run PPC campaigns. So it's thinking, and there you go. Here is the answer of how to run PPC campaigns. Now let's say I answer something that can be verified or is a fact, like who is Nelson Mandela. Now this question doesn't have any context in the upload notes, but it will still answer it because it can be verified. You see, Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary, all that stuff. Now let's try to ask this agent something random that it cannot be verified. Like I would say that, does flying cars exist? Okay, it's a prompt, and there you go. Sorry, I couldn't confidently find that answer in your notes or general knowledge. So the model will completely avoid these type of questions that don't have any context. If I move to QuizMe model, it will generate an MCQ based quiz for the students so that they can test their knowledge in the document. So it is fetched from the quiz is fetched from the document, and let's say I just do it randomly. I select random answers and submit quiz. So here you go. I scored 3 out of 10, and this whole quiz is now recorded in my quiz history log, and you can see here is the last quiz that was recorded. Correct answers were 3 and incorrect answers were 7, and it recorded accordingly. You can also clear this history, but it's good to keep the record of the history log so that you can test your knowledge. if I go to settings, and one more thing, if I go back to QuizMe and start new quiz, it will generate a new quiz completely randomly from the document that was given to it, just like this, and you can move solving this quiz as well. Now the setting module has a font size. You can change your font size accordingly, according to your readability, and also default number of context chunks for QA. You can use that here. It's the same thing as this one. To get 2 means faster response but less context, and 10 means uh, slow response but with better context and a better response. So that was my model, and feel free to ask me any questions if you want at saudmuzaffar@gmail.com. This is completely available at my GitHub repository. You can download it completely free. Saud Muzaffar slash AI study coach, and the README document. You can set this up on your own local machine and test it yourself. Thank you for your time. Bye.